G'day, g'day. And what a day it's been already. Big power blackout. Whole grid was taken out. It took me out for about a couple of hours, so I haven't really been to update anything from today. So just doing a morning brief, and we have Singapore and Shanghai already in action. Just going back to yesterday. Yesterday was an inside day, so a little bit of consolidation here around 4,000. Still playing off this large gap down on Wednesday, which pushed through the 2026 lows and closed below, and buyers haven't really stepped in here as they did back in the June 11th. So leaves a double target at the yearly lows here with this yesterday's low, but also means that yesterday's high is a very beautiful target. If they want to take price lower, they're going to go up and hit those orders that are now resting above yesterday's high. So lots of liquidity up there to target if a setup does arise. But that also means the magnet here for yesterday's low is very, very strong. Whether that will happen in Asia or not is anyone's guess, and we don't like to predict. We just like to act and react to what we're seeing. Covering yesterday's actual movement in the market, we see coming into Wednesday's close, these orders were taken below the New York Open low, and that left this high here coming in at 12 p.m. my time almost just had to be tested, but that wouldn't happen during in Asia, so they did drop price down. Buyers came in, picked orders up right at those lows, and then eventually, pretty much an hour after the gold pit opened, that those highs were taken, and price is just consolidating sideways now. I did get a really beautiful sell. I had to be very patient, but I did get a really nice sell yesterday coming off the value area lows, and price tested that a number of times, and it was just a matter of being patient enough to wait for the gyrations of price around that area before it came down to target the previous day's low. Coming into today, as I said, we've got this beautiful double low here as a target, and we've got yesterday's high. We are stuck inside the volume profile zone from last night's New York trading, and it's showing signs of weakness at the moment. There's lots of bearish clouds, but they're not going anywhere. So that points to me that we could be moving up. I'll just put in my algorithmic lines here. We're starting to get back above this dynamic value line. We still have this upper value line and the value area high to get through. If we do, then that's quite a high probability trade to trade back up to yesterday's high. So just being patient. Price isn't really moving as heavy as it has been throughout the week. We are just going sideways at the moment. There's no major news on the calendar at this morning, so whether they'll move price during Asia is yet to be seen.